Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your value education class. Children, we have already completed chapter 3 of this book. As you all know that this is your value education book, Inspirations for Life, right? Part 1 means class 1. And in this book we have completed chapter 3. The explanation part of chapter 3 is done. Right, I have told you the story related to the chapter. Then come to the back exercises. Okay, the back exercises, I will write down the question answer and I'll send it to you through telegram. Okay, from there you will copy the question answers properly. And listen one thing, I have given few extra questions from inside the book also. Okay, you have to prepare those, means you have to write those in your CW copy. Understood? Extra questions also I have given from the book, from inside the chapter. Okay, those question answers you have to write down in your CW copy correctly. Okay, write neatly and correctly. And the back exercises also I have already done and I'll send it through telegram. Okay, then let us move to chapter 4. We'll start chapter 4 today. So open your book at page number 17. This is page number 17, and the name of the chapter is Bond of Love and Trust. Okay, so on this page you can see the picture of two friends. See, two boy, they are sitting together. What they are doing, I think this boy, they were playing football and one of them fell down. Okay, and he got hurt, and the other one is helping him, okay, by giving him the first aid, isn't it? So they are, both of them, they are friends. So let us start the chapter Bond of Love and Trust. Okay, and the value that we are going to get from this chapter is true friendship. We learn about true friendship. Now, as the name of the chapter is Bond of Love, so bond means what? Bond means an emotional attachment. Okay, so an emotional attachment. So a bond of love and trust means what? Belief, right? So friendship is a bond of love and trust. Friendship, what is friendship? It is a bond of, it is an emotional attachment, you can say, of love and trust, because we have belief in our friend, right? We believe, we trust our friend, right? So everyone loves to make friends, right? All of us, we all want to make friends, isn't it? So you must have a best friend. I too have a friend, right? So every one of us, we love to have or to make friends. We are happy and cheerful with our friends. When we are with our friends, we are very happy and cheerful, right? Whenever you are with your friend, you want to play, you tell story to each other, right? You play games with your friend. So it makes us feel very happy and we are always cheerful when we are with our friends. We must share our feelings with them, and we share our feelings with our friends, right? We should never fight with our friends, and it is not good to fight with our friends. As they are our friend, we must share our feelings with our friends and we should not fight with them. We should not be selfish and dishonest to them. So it is very important that we should be kind to our friends, isn't it? We should not be unkind, we should not be selfish and be dishonest. We should be loyal to our friends, right? We should not be dishonest. Okay, we should help them and try to make them happy. So we should always try to make our friends happy and help them whenever they are in need, right? So this is all about what friendship is. Related to this topic, let us have a read a story about true friends. Okay, right? So long ago in Syracuse, there lived two friends. Syracuse is name of a place. There lived two friends named Damon and Pythias. Okay, the name of the two friends were Damon and Pythias. So the king of Syracuse was very cruel, and the king of that kingdom, what is the name of the kingdom? Syracuse. So he was very cruel. What is the meaning of cruel? cruel means unkind. He was not kind, he was unkind, he was cruel. Okay, so one day Damon was discussing about the king's cruelty with some people. One day, what happened? One of the two friends, that is whose name is Damon, he was discussing about the king's cruelty, means the unkind act of the king, okay, to with some of his people. Then what happened? The king came to know about this, and the king of that place, he came to know that this boy is discussing about the cruelties, about the cruelties that are done by the king. Okay, now the king came to know about this, and then he ordered death penalty for them, for him. Then the king ordered for death penalty, means punishment, death punishment for Damon. Damon was taken to prison. Then he was taken to prison. Prison means what? Prison means jail, right? To be hanged at the next day. And the king ordered that Damon should be hanged. Okay, hanged the next day. The very next day he was punished. His punishment was to be hanged. Okay. Damon was very brave, but Damon, he was very brave. He was unafraid of death, but had a last wish. Damon was very brave. He was unafraid of death, but he had a last wish. Okay, what is his last wish? He called his friend and said, then he called his best friend, that is Pythias, and said, I want to see my parents before I die. Then Damon said that what his last wish is to see his parents before he die. Okay. Then the please request the king to extend the date of my execution by a week. Then he asked, he had a request, he made a request to the king to postpone his date of execution to be hanged by a week, because he want to see his parents before he die. Turn the page to page number 18. This was informed to the king by Pythias. So Pythias informed the king about his friend's request. Pythias, he went to the king and then he requested him that please give him 1 week so that he can meet his parents. He also said, Your Majesty, until Damon comes back, I will be in prison instead of him. So his friend Pythias, he requested the king to allow him to go and meet his friend, and by the time he returns, he comes back, I will be there in the prison. Who said that? Pythias said to this to the king. Okay, so if he doesn't return in time, you can hang me. And his friend, Damon's friend, he said that if he doesn't return in time, then you can hang me also. Okay, the king was amazed, but he accepted the request. By listening this, the king was shocked, surprised, but he accepted the request. He said, okay, let your friend go, let Damon go to meet his parents, and you be here in the prison. Okay, and he accepted the request of Damon's friend. Now, this way 7 days passed, but Damon didn't come back. In this way, 7 days passed since he left to meet his parents, but he has not came back. So, as Pythias was about to be hanged, Damon came back. When the time of the execution of the punishment came, by that time, his friend Damon came back. He shouted, Stop the hanging, I'm back. Then his friend said, Stop, stop, don't hang him because I have already come. Okay, so stop hanging him because I am back. Both the friends hugged each other and they began to cry. But both the friends, they hugged each other and they began to cry. Then Pythias said, Damon, why did you come back? You could have easily escaped and I would have died. I am an orphan. I have no obligations. You have your parents and they need you. Then his friend, both of the friends, they hugged each other and they began to cry. After that, Damon's friend, Pythias, he said that, why have you come back? You could have been escaped. Okay, you could have been easily escaped because I would have died. As I have no responsibility, I am an orphan. Orphan means what? A person who doesn't have a family, okay, no parents, so they are left alone. So this, he said that I am an orphan, I could have died in your place, but you have obligation as you have parents at home, so why have you come back? Okay, you could have easily escaped from being hanged, right? You have your parents and they need you. So Damon replied, "No, Pythias, I cannot betray a true friend." Then his friend said that, "No, I cannot betray you because you are my true friend. Thanks for helping me. Please take care of my parents." So his friend Damon said that, "No, I cannot be so unkind to my friend as you are my true friend. So please, you do one thing, you please take care of my parents." The cruel king moved into tears, and the king was listening to the conversation between the two friends, and he was moved into tears. Now he started to cry listening to the conversation of both the friends. Okay, and he was moved into tears. As a result, both Damon and Pythias were set free, and the king was very much amazed to see their friendship. Okay, and he also he was very cruel, but their friendship made him feel uh, made him uh, made him to excuse the uh, boy that whose name the friend whose name was Damon. Okay, he excused uh, Damon, and he set both the friends free. Okay, it changed the life of the king also, his thinking also. So this is the end of the story, that is the true friends. Okay, so from the story what we have learned, what is the moral of the story? A friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend who helps you in the time of need is your real friend. Right. So this is the moral of the story. In the next class, I will give you the question answer of this chapter. So never fight with your friends and never be selfish and dishonest to them. Okay, this is the end of the story. It is a very nice story. I hope you all loved the story, and the question answer I'll give it to you in the next class. Thank you.